Hello students, welcome back to your previous class. Students, we are meeting after 1 week, okay? And hope you all have given your test properly. So again we have to resume our work. So let's begin a new chapter, which is chapter 8, the world of animals. So first of all, we will do the reading. Page number 34 you all will open. Do you think animals are like us? You could say yes or no. The truth is that we too are animals. We are like all other animals in some ways. Animals are similar. There are so many different types of animals that it is difficult to know all of them, but they have all some things in common. They need food and water, they breathe, they move from one place to another, they have babies, they are born, they grow, and they die. They feel and have a way of showing what they feel. An angry dog snarls and its tail sticks out straight behind it. A happy dog wags its tail. An angry cat arches its back and fluffs out its fur to look big. A happy cat purrs and half shuts its eyes. Animals that live in water. Ponds, lakes, rivers, and seas are full of animals, so of many kinds. Let us start with fish. Some fish live in rivers, lakes, and ponds. Some live in salty waters of the sea. Some have scales, some do not. Fish swim with the help of their fins and tail. They lay eggs from which baby fish come out. A strange thing about fish is that they never sleep. Now, many strange and pretty animals live in the sea. Some look like flowers, some look like stars. Crabs and prawns, lobsters also live in the sea. They have many legs and a hard shell around their bodies. They are cousins of insects and spiders. Whales and dolphins are large animals that live in sea. Some whales are as heavy as 24 elephants put together. Whales and dolphins are not fish, though they have tails and fins. They do not lay eggs, they have babies. Land animals. Many land animals live around you. If you keep your eyes open, you learn a lot about them. Worms are soft creatures without legs. The most common one is the earthworm. You will find earthworms in garden soil, especially after it rains. You will also find snails in the garden. Some snails live in water and some on land. Flies, bees, ants, mosquitoes, butterflies, moths, grasshoppers, dragonflies, beetles are insects. All insects have 6 legs and 2 feelers. They use the feelers to feel, touch, and smell. Spiders are cousins of insects, but they have 8 legs while insects have 6. You can see frogs near ponds and in the garden. They have a slippery skin. They can swim and hop around on land. Young frogs come out of eggs and are called tadpoles. Another common land animal is the lizard. The ones that live in the house are smaller than the ones that live in the garden. Chameleons are lizards that can change color. Snakes, tortoises, crocodiles are cousins of lizards. They have scales on their bodies and lay eggs. Snakes cannot hear and they swallow their food without chewing. Of all land animals, monkeys, chimpanzees, and gorillas are the closest to us. They can use their hands to hold things. They have babies that feed on their mother's milk. So, dog, cats, horses, cows, tigers, elephants, and so on. Birds. Birds have a body covered with feathers. They have 2 wings for flying. A few birds, like penguins and ostriches, cannot fly. The shape of the bird's beak depends on the food it eats. For example, eagles and hawks have sharp beaks to tear the flesh of animals. Now, caring for animals. We must take care of pets and farm animals. That means we must give them proper food, water, keep them clean, and take them to a doctor when they are ill. Animal doctors are called vets. They treat pets, farm animals, and animals in zoo. So this is the reading of the chapter. Similar way you have also to do.